Timama mama, timama, timama. Sedilaka Mboni setetsila ha ke tsamaya ko lefefeng hape o sebaka ntsamaise ha o le teng a ke batle tsebo tsohle yo yo oh Nkosi yami yo yo ayini uzawutrenda yo
Credo Vimo ubhimba nomakhuluma nomcabango wakhe webhimba wacela wathena makwakhe Mxhosa babu wakhe umputukezi wasePortugal mara yena Mtsonga uTubuto kusise yena wonde kanjani ukuthi abe Mtsonga utendile yena ngamadrado runde njani nakafuna etimonqodo uyatikhethela ukuthi umhlobo bani yena ha shwa yebo nanyalo thina siyathi phela ukuthi akuculi yena i-AI but yena ufuna ukuconvince thina ukuthi no yena uyakwazi ukucula yakubona kanti asilimada ngalomculo wakhe lokubhimba lama live wakhe la wendako yakubona umvila basedilaka Timomo sina singathi ngabo Timomo perhaps wow siyathi akuculi wena siyakusupporta siyakuthanza mara ungalubhimbeli thina or wena utshela ukuthi ubhimbela inkosi ungabhimbeli thina uyasilimada ecredit unengani ngathi politician noma uyibona ukuthi ineliphutha zama ukujustify ukuthi no I know the people siyakusupport we just play along siyathi ukuthi akuculiwe yena uyabona Timomo
uvala namehlo ngizomshaya esakasakhulumeneki lo muntu
lento kalogayi oculise dilaka sasingayibuka nje ngelinyiso kodwa leya guy mentally akekho right you can't produce AI music we-AI bese uceda lapho accept ama performance uye kuma events okay first event ngiyibona ivideo yakho ngangicathi mhlawumbe imic usaba ukucula phambi kwabantu ivideo engihlangane nayo namhlanje ucule endabeni hayi family ka V Daniels ayiphakame ngeke hayibo ayikho into nje uyasidefenda through le AI yakho uthi chorus wara hayibo ugayi mebudinga usizo.
I think into a credo channel into a rasta like he's gonna get booked now because he's bad. And like but because her perform there's noise because he's bad Watch.
Uyazi sometimes impilo ne engazi ukuthi ungavele nje ube ulo bhuti lo uculise dilaka. Uyabona? Ubulo bhuti uhambe uyoperforma. Oyiperforma wazi kahle vele ukuthi awazi kwadwa. Ufike lapha phambili ufike ume lapha phambili basi bekulindile bebaningi mhlawumbe begcwele FNB Stadium. Uqala masuthi serilaka. Wampathatha ndlela abakushayi. Baqale basi bhuu uthi kitamaye wathi bhuu aqala oyedwa kujele ngekani uthi ulifi hayi bavele bakulahle bonke bakujikjele haw kafa baqobe ukuthi ukuthama dine ngisho ama security athi ubuyaphi akudonse ngomlenze yo bangigxobe base ngithi ha asise ngithe ha mase bayangiyeka bayitho sengifile ngithathwe i-ambulance mengifike ngisithi i-ambulance bangiqukule nge-ambulance mengithathe i-ambulance ngisiyole fifi bavele bavula icapha iphume lento leyana lo mbhede lo uhamba uphume shude emasina la bahleli khona laba abafuna ukurectify noma yini into ekuthiwa repression ngifike lapha ngihamba ngomshini kule ngithe nje Jacinta angisazi nanokuthi ngithini-ke lapho sengisangene kwakhanda ngifike ngingene ebhasini mengingene ebhasini ngifike lapha ngijikiswe lapha thabuya mangibuya la mase kuvele kuthiwa ngi-illegal bangixosha hey bafethu yo hayi siphile Jackie China siphile Van Damme sometimes
Hey, Credo V Daniels Hlebana. Ay, Credo V Daniels. Yo. Say. Say the lie. Yo. Oh, Credo V. Oh, ruined the whole album for me. You don't sound the same anymore. Say, yo.
Me, I knew. Kaizer Chiefs and Credo V, same WhatsApp group. They've got potential, but they can't perform. We are back.
And now you're thinking it's fine, I'm a hater. Moting, I am a hater because why I perform and why I khana AI. The problem ke go khana, the problem ke maka. Why abua maka? Why I khana AI? Because when I air the recent one that is going around now, I can't. Guys, bile e hana le backtrack ubina ka keyboard. Guys, no. Wait, it will take nothing to just go. Yeah, singing is not my best, like my strongest, So I had to tweak it a little bit with AI. Oh, okay, that's interesting. How do you do that? Then it can be a different conversation on how to use AI to enhance, Then it can be a completely different conversation.